If you've been wondering how to apply for Facebook monetization and start earning from your content, then this video is for you. Today, I want to take you step by step on how to check your eligibility and apply correctly, even if you're a beginner. Want to check the eligibility and how to apply the monetization. So you come here, professional dashboard. When you come here to the professional dashboard, you'll see here, this is my profile, linked account, these are other accounts, the profile recommendation. First, you see here, your profile is it's eligible for being recommended. Facebook can recommend it to people. So see if your profile is eligible to, let's click there. You come here. More about your profile, status, monetization, recommendation. Let's click recommendation. How recommendation work? What does recommended mean? Reach new people. We are suggesting you to people that don't allow you, don't follow you, but might like your content. Will show both your profile and recommendable content to people. Yeah. Follow the rules. You remember even in my previous video I shown you how the people who don't follow me, they watch my reels and they react. They are the most reactors on my videos. Follow the rules, content and profile that meet our recommendation requirement, follow our community standards and ads policy. Policies are eligible to be suggested, share and quality content, create unique and original content that people find interesting and stay away from false info and clickbait. Remember I told you, create your own original content here. What you won't recommend. Sensitive or low quality content. Pages, groups and profiles that are harmful or explicit, make health or financial claims to share an original content, clickbaits and giveaways, promotional content for miraculous contests or links to how quality website and publishers that will not be false or misleading information content or profiles that share things found false by fact clickers, false vaccine over fraudulent document like a fake ID, things that affect your eligibility, policy violation, not following our rules, or being banned from running ads will cause your content or profile to lose the eligibility to be recommended. Profile details violations, things like profile photos and your about info need to follow community standards to topics we want to recommend. We don't recommend content or profile that focus on certain topics like civics and vaccine. Alright? Yeah, to get up to there. So monetization. So let's go check now, review the profile status. When you come to the profile status, you call recommendation is active, monetization and not eligible, market active. You see here, no restriction. Your account looks good. Check in on other things you manage. Now you see here. So we come here, no restrictions. Your account looks good. Thanks for sticking to the rules and making Facebook a better place. So my account is good. For recommendable, for being recommended, there's no restrictions. It only remember restrictions, and if you have restrictions, you cannot be monetized. So your monetization not eligible. I'm still not eligible, but there's still a way even if you're not eligible and your account has been very, very active, you can apply. Because me, I'm at 2.7 followers and they need 5,000. But I know people have been monetized with the less followers. So let me show you how you can apply even if you're less than 5,000, but your account shouldn't be very, very active. You've been active for like 2 months, 3 months. They've been very serious at posting, not just posting one content and then, yeah, you need to post. People post even 10 times. So you need to, let's check. I show you can do it so long as your account has been active because they check the last 3 months. You click your professional dashboard, you come into monetization, you'll see the start, subscription, content monetization, and storefront. So you click the stars and manage the stars. The stars are virtual goods that let you monetize your content through support from your community. So when you click, you'll see interested. You click yes, interested. Then they will ask you why are you interested? Why do you think you're supposed to get monetized? You'll explain, or it's optional. You can leave it. Then you submit. Now you can see mine is submitted. I'm waiting for their response. Subscription, I didn't. This one you can see I'm interested. You're supposed to click here. This one subscription, I'm not sure if it's in Kenya. But let's try. Let's know. I saw someone in Kenya with it, so let's try. Maybe I had people saying it's not wherever in Kenya. You see, interest has been submitted. So thanks for sharing your interest in the program. You will be notified if you become eligible. All right. So I've submitted the stars and subscription. Let's go to. This one I already submitted for content monetization and money by offering videogram custom videos from your fans. I don't know this one if it's in range, it's in Kenya. Even this one I submitted. So yeah, that's how you submit. Although even if you have not gotten the 5,000 followers, you can submit because someone I know got monetized with 1,500 followers. So I've submitted mine. I'm waiting for the responses. People are getting money, but it depends with the country. I don't know. Before Kenya we were not earning on Facebook until our president talked to Meta and they agreed. If this tutorial has helped you, kindly subscribe because on this channel, it's all about helping creators grow, monetize, and make income online. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.